Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to take your dreams and goals to the next level? In today's video, we'll harness the power of visualization by creating a beautiful vision board using Canva. As a powerful tool for motivation and inspiration, vision boards have been proven to help people stay focused on their objectives and work towards their goals more effectively. The human brain is wired to respond to visual cues, so by consistently seeing images of your aspirations, you're more likely to work harder and smarter to achieve them. Canva's user-friendly interface and extensive design library make it simple for anyone to create a personalized vision board that truly captures their aspirations. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of designing a vision board that not only inspires you but also keeps you motivated on your journey to achieve your goals. So, without further ado, let's dive in and unleash the power of visualization to transform your life today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends. First things first, head over to Canva website and sign up for a free account. You can find the link to the Canva website in the description below. If you already have an account, just log in to access the Canva dashboard. Once you're in, you're ready to start designing your vision board. Begin by exploring Canva's gallery of ready-made layouts to find a design that matches your theme or motif. Search the templates for vision boards and pick the one that resonates with you. Click on the Customize this template button in the upper right side. Alternatively, if you prefer starting from scratch, click File and then Create New Design to begin a new project with a blank canvas. Now that you've chosen your template, it's time to set the tone for your vision board by customizing the background. Click on the background element and explore the available colors and patterns. Choose a background that feels calming and inspiring to you, and apply it by clicking on your chosen option. This will create the perfect foundation for your vision board, allowing you to build on it with images, text, and design elements. With your background in place, it's time to bring your vision board to life by adding images that represent your personal goals. Search for relevant images in Canva's extensive library, or upload your own photos that truly capture your aspirations. For example, if you're aiming for a well-rounded life, you could include images related to career success, strong relationships, self-care practices, and personal growth. Once you've gathered your images, arrange them on your vision board in a visually appealing way. Feel free to resize, rotate, or crop the images as needed to create a harmonious and inspiring layout. Remember, your vision board should be a reflection of your personal journey towards achieving your goals, so choose images that genuinely resonate with you and your aspirations. To keep yourself inspired and motivated on your journey, add text elements like motivational quotes or affirmations related to your goals. Click on the Text tab on the left side of the screen, and choose from a variety of pre-designed text templates or create a custom text box to write your own quotes or affirmations. Customize the font, size, color, and alignment to complement your vision board's design, ensuring that the text elements blend seamlessly with your images and background. By incorporating words of encouragement and motivation into your vision board, you're creating a powerful reminder of your aspirations and reinforcing your commitment to achieving your goals. To further personalize and enhance your vision board, consider adding design elements like shapes, lines, or icons that reflect your style and goals. Click on the Elements tab on the left side of the screen and browse through Canva's vast collection of design elements to find the perfect additions for your vision board. Drag and drop your chosen elements onto the canvas and adjust their size, color, and position to create a visually balanced and cohesive design. These design elements can help emphasize specific aspects of your goals or simply add a touch of creativity to your vision board, making it a unique and inspiring piece that truly represents your journey towards success. Once you've added all your images, text, and design elements, take a step back and review your vision board as a whole. Make any necessary adjustments to the layout, ensuring that all elements are visually balanced and convey the message you want to express. If something doesn't feel right or doesn't align with your goals, don't hesitate to modify or remove it. Your vision board should be an accurate representation of your aspirations and a source of inspiration for your journey. When you're satisfied with your vision board, click the Share button in the upper right corner to save it as a high-resolution image file. You can then print it, set it as your desktop wallpaper, or share it on social media to keep your goals front and center in your daily life. The more visible your vision board is, the more motivated and inspired you'll be to achieve your dreams. Here are tips for creating an effective vision board. When choosing images and affirmations for your vision board, ensure they genuinely resonate with your goals and aspirations. The more meaningful and personal these elements are, the more likely you'll be inspired and motivated to work towards your dreams. Consider organizing your vision board by different aspects of your life, such as career, relationships, health, or personal growth. This can help you visualize your goals more clearly and maintain a balanced approach to achieving them. As you progress on your journey, your goals and priorities may change. Regularly review and update your vision board to reflect your current aspirations, ensuring it remains a relevant and powerful motivational tool. Share your vision board with friends and family for added support and encouragement. They can provide valuable feedback, offer ideas, and even join you in creating their own vision boards. For maximum impact, print your vision board and display it in a prominent location where you'll see it daily. This constant reminder of your goals will help keep you motivated and focused on achieving your dreams. That's a wrap on creating an effective vision board using Canva. Remember to keep it visible and updated as needed to stay inspired on your journey towards success. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends. Happy goal setting, and thanks for watching.